A new AI tool, Abacus AI Deep Agent, is outperforming massive systems like Perplexity Comet and OpenAI's Atlas. Deep Agent now features browser use but with a unique twist. It schedules its own actions, navigates browsers, completes tasks and sends results automatically at set times. This ability to control and schedule real browser activity sets Deep Agent apart. Abacus AI Deep Agent merges general reasoning, browser control, and scheduling into one system within the chat LLM ecosystem. Instead of just summarizing, it performs actions directly on web pages automatically. For example, it can find business leads on LinkedIn based on your criteria, gathering them while you relax. It drafts personalized outreach emails for each contact and can repeat this task every morning at 9 a.m. It wakes up, runs in a browser, completes the task, and emails the finished file, offering unique automation. Unlike Comet and Atlas, Deep Agent operates on a schedule and executes recurring browser tasks. It can check websites for errors, test logins, download invoices, apply for jobs, scrape data, or post updates on X. All hands-free. The workflow is simple. Log into your Abacus AI dashboard. Go to Tasks, create a Deep Agent task, and enable browser use. Then describe your desired actions. Like for an e-commerce brand selling handmade watches, you could instruct it to find 10 to 15 luxury accessory blogs, collect contacts, and write outreach emails. Deep Agent quickly opens a browser, navigates sites, checks relevance, and pulls verified contacts into a structured list. It also drafts tailored outreach messages, providing a spreadsheet with leads, email templates, and a ready-to-run automation. This becomes a productivity multiplier. Deep Agent can run the same workflow daily, bringing new leads consistently. No logging in or prompts needed. Results appear like clockwork, a capability even Atlas and Comet lack. Another example is automated job applications. Upload your resume, connect a Google Sheet with job URLs, and it applies one by one. Deep Agent opens listings, fills forms, answers questions, and updates your sheet with submission details, like company, role, and status. It can run hourly to apply to new jobs as they appear. And it handles more than just text-based tasks. The new browser feature allows it to interact with real websites like a human, navigating steps, downloading files, and verifying data. For online businesses, it can test website features, like logging into your dashboard every Friday to check order history and invoice downloads. Then email a report. It performs these checks, takes screenshots, validates downloads, and adds automations to your Deep Agent dashboard. For scheduling, tasks can recur daily, weekly, or monthly, be chained, and run analytics, like generating YouTube playlists and summarizing insights. Running under Abacus AI's Chat LLM, you can switch between Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, or Grok for optimal task performance. Everything is unified in one chat interface, eliminating multiple subscriptions and tab switching. The Deep Agent ecosystem is expanding with the Deep Agent Listener, a desktop companion that records and transcribes live meetings and videos. It's context-aware, answering questions about your screen, summarizing meetings, and providing insights from Google Docs or emails. Integrated with Slack, CRMs, and project management tools, it becomes even more powerful when paired with Deep Agent. For SaaS product development, the coding agent generates backend code and integrates payment, while the listener transcribes notes into tasks. You can even ask it to write, test, and polish code for an entire app autonomously. The goal is an all-in-one generalist agent that reasons, acts, builds, and automates continuously. Abacus AI Deep Agent creates polished presentations, writes long reports, or builds full-stack applications. Its key feature is autonomy. Once a workflow is defined, it runs like a tireless AI employee. For invoice management, it logs into your portal, downloads invoices, extracts details to a Google Sheet, and emails a summary daily. This automation saves 30 to 60 minutes daily by handling login, downloads, parsing, spreadsheet creation, and emailing. It's fully visual. You can watch the AI move your cursor, click buttons, and interact with the web like a person. It follows instructions, records results, creates structured reports with summaries, and attaches files for documentation. Abacus AI hosts weekly competitions for Deep Agent users, offering up to $2,500 for human AI collaboration skills. They encourage creative automation, with users building AI-managed social accounts and autonomous research assistants. This fosters a community around agentic workflows, not just another AI tool. Pricing is $10 a month for the basic tier, including Deep Agent browser use, scheduling, and LLM integration. Automating a single daily task often pays for itself, and power users can scale with additional credits. Compared to competitors, the gap is clear. Perplexity Comet browses passively, requiring constant prompts. OpenAI's Atlas is fast but lacks scheduling and persistent browser actions. Deep Agent combines both with real-world automation. Deep Agent uses a hybrid architecture within Chat LLM, combining reasoning modules and browser control APIs for advanced reasoning. It interprets prompts, plans multi-step actions, and executes them in a virtualized Chromium environment, maintaining full session state. It remembers logins for future runs, making it persistent, secure, and auditable. It supports multiple languages for prompts and browser interactions, handling regional workflows like multilingual invoices or international job listings. Abacus AI claims Deep Agent completes browser tasks twice as fast as Comet or Atlas due to optimized latency. Demos show it generating 15 qualified leads, writing custom emails, and scheduling follow-ups in under a minute. Abacus AI Deep Agent is a practical AI tool, bridging the gap between reasoning and real-world action. If you need an AI that performs, check out deepagent.abacus.ai to build your own browser automations. Thanks for watching.